Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer cryptocurrency between Binance accounts. It's a straightforward process, and you have a couple of excellent options. Whether you're sending funds to a friend or moving assets between your own accounts, Binance offers efficient solutions. The best part is that internal transfers between Binance users typically incur zero transaction fees and are completed almost instantly. We'll cover the step-by-step process to ensure your funds reach their destination securely and without delay. To begin your transfer, first log into your Binance account. Once logged in, head over to your wallet and then select Fiat and Spot. Here, you'll see a list of all your cryptocurrencies. Find the coin you intend to send, for example, Bitcoin or USD. After locating it, click on the Withdraw button associated with that particular asset. This action will open the withdrawal interface, where you'll input the transfer details. Next, you'll need the recipient's details. For an internal Binance transfer, you can use their registered email, phone number, or Binance user ID. If you're using a wallet address, ensure it's the correct deposit address from their Binance account. Crucially, select the exact same blockchain network that the recipient expects. For instance, if sending USD, confirm if it's on the ERC20 or BEP20 network. Finally, specify the amount you wish to transfer. Before finalizing, take a moment to meticulously review all the transfer details. Confirm the recipient's information, the cryptocurrency type, and the amount. Once you are certain everything is correct, proceed with the security verification, which usually involves entering codes sent to your email or phone and your two-factor authentication. After successful verification, your internal transfer will be processed instantly, often with zero fees. You can then check your transaction history to confirm its completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.